I'm going to narrate a story in which I am the protagonist or hero. So, as you know that life has many ups and downs, and we all have experienced those ups and downs. But the person who doesn't regret about the ups and downs and move on to the life is really known as a Bazigar. My story is just like that, in which I crossed the obstacle that was really harming me a lot in my exam time. So yeah, let's begin with my story. So I had a bubbly kind of nature. Maybe you're trapped, maybe you're trapped. It seems that I had a bubbly kind of nature, but in reality, I don't. The reality is far away from the bubbly kind of nature. As you know now, that like to persons like to be seen good enough in front of others people, but in reality they aren't. Same with me. But from not always, I'm like this. I really had a bubbly kind of nature. But due to an incident that I'm going to talk about in this story made me somewhat far away from that bubbly kind of nature. So my story starts with my exam. They were on the way coming and coming faster, and my phobia of the exams were increasing day by day. But there was no need of actually being scared of the exams, as you know now. So I kept this thing in mind and studied. Harder and harder I could. My 3 exams were passed, and they were passed like no before. My current condition was like laugh every day one and love beyond words. My 3 exams were fully passed, and I was fully confident that I will got 75 above in all those exams. And I got. And this was the time of my 4th exam. Can you imagine which exam was it? Let I give you a chance to guess. May I give you a hint? It's like all the students have a phobia of this exam. Think about it. Yes, you are right. It's mathematics. Oh God, I literally have phobia from mathematics. So now I need to study harder and smarter. I started studying. 0.07 lies on the x-axis in the 4th quadrant. Okay, point minus 3.5 lies in the okay. I was doing well. It was 1.5 holiday for me, and the half day was passed very nicely. I did all the practice, and I was like thumbs up that I'm gonna get full marks. But life is many ups and downs. Life can get a mode at any side of the so I was studying harder and harder like no before. And it was my break time, because without break, no study is complete. So I took a break, roaming here and there, playing. And now I thought to talk to my bestie. So I talked to her, asking her that how much course is completed, what doubts do you get, etc. things. And suddenly a topic came out, and she said, "Yeah, you're getting full marks," and she thought it. "You're getting full marks in each and every subject. Yet we have given the exam." But I was like, no, it's not sure now, because she was like her 3 to 4 marks were going to cut in the exams. So she was like terrified about her marks. So she was like, I was like, why are you giving me a curse? So she was like, I like to give you a curse. And from that time I was thinking that how can she be my bestie, man? At that point of time I felt that how mean is my bestie. But it's like everybody get this kind of thought. So I neglected this at that time. And I was very happy studying, like my mood was like this, roaming here and there and studying with a fully concentrated mind, fully motivated mind. And I was gonna go to study the next chapter of mathematics. But I was quite tired, so I thought that I would study it on the next or the following day. And this was the next day, my one chapter completed, and then I was gonna go to take the next chapter. But yeah, life is not very much easy. Some obstacles are gonna come in the life. And what were these? Can you imagine? It was the worst experience of my life. Right, it's music. But you may be thinking that how music can affect somebody. I was also thinking like this. The music came to my mind like never before, like sitting like a tired cat in my mind. It seems to be funny now, but at that time it seems to be horrible. Crying. I was very scared that what is going to happen. Actually, the thing was that one song was very famous at that time. At that time means at 1 month ago. So everybody in my home used to listen to the song, and sometimes I do. So I was listening that song, I was listening that song, and suddenly the song set in my mind, like I don't know how. Sometimes song comes to my mind and sometimes they go away. So, but I thought that whatever comes in the way, whatever comes in the way, you need to cross them all with Akshi. And I was doing so, but this music was not going anywhere and set in my mind. I was like, now I think that it was like I was overthinking at that time. That is why the song was like this. I was very afraid that time. I hardly don't know that how I did the subjects. I was not able to do my chapters and I did them very hardly. I thought that it was the result of my bestie's course. I don't know what it is now, but yeah, I thought it so. And the music's roam in my mind now also, but now I had a control on them, a chance to control on them. The music seems to be colorful like this, but in reality at that time it proved to be horrible like this black color. So what was the thing at that time? I was working harder and harder so as to neglect these songs, but these songs were never going off from my mind. So I thought I was proving in front of my family members that I was strong, but in reality I wasn't. And my maths exam passed, my GK exam passed, my all the exams passed, but with the songs I scored so well. I passed all the exams very nicely. I got not so good, but not so bad marks too, and I was happy with the marks that I got. At that time, I was thinking that I should live every moment and try to console the song in my mind, try to console the song out of my mind only. But the song was not going. So yeah, my exams were going. I was trying harder and harder to neglect these songs, but the songs were not going, and I was very much pissed off. But the exams were off, and I was happy that exams are passed nicely, not so they are passed. So I was like happy for that. But day by day, the songs were getting really like a ghost, which come in my dream at night every day. So I thought about to pass. I thought about to free my mind, release the pressure. My mom, my parents, my sister, everybody used to motivate me at that time. They were saying it's quite a normal, it happens, neglect these things. But I was like, I am quite an overthinking person, so I was not able to neglect these things. I tried a lot to neglect these things, but I wasn't. At the time, I was thinking that I need to neglect all these things. If I would not, so I can't live like this. Like, my mind was full of thoughts, but full of many songs also. And I want to release my mind. If I would not, my mind was busted. And it was happening with me. So here you would be thinking that how I proved to be a protagonist. Wait, sabr karo, story chal rahi hai. So yeah. In this, I really tried, and my exams were over, but the songs were not gone from my mind. So I really tried about them. I started doing meditation, controlling myself, neglecting the songs, working harder and harder to neglect these songs, concentrating on the things so that I can really achieve success. And I do. After some time, I was like, now my condition is like stable. I'm saying my condition is stable, but it was not a light thing to be really thought about. It was a very small thing. And I don't need to think about it a lot. But I thought, and that's why the result was not so good as my exam, but I got 96%, and I was happy. So yeah, I was happy a lot. I really worked harder and harder day by day, so as to I can get rid of these songs in my mind, and I was very happy because due to my meditation, due to my hard work, I proved to be a protagonist at that time. For me, I proved to be a protagonist, and for me, I was in the seventh heaven at that time, because I was thinking like अगर मेरे 75 above भी आ जाए ना, 75 के 70 above भी आ जाए ना, I would be very happy. And I got in maths I didn't, but yeah, it was quite hard for me. I really learned from my mistakes, and I'm not gonna follow these mistakes again. So I was really thinking this, and I did. And I passed my exams with flying colors, and I was very happy at the time. So yeah, I could remember all these three words: live every moment I was living, laugh every day I am, and love beyond words I do. So I achieved the success, and from the story you learn that never think that your parents are not with you or you can't do anything. You can and you will. So thank you everybody for listening my story.